If you want to record the screen on Realme GT 8 Pro, then in that case you can go to the control center and you can try to find the screen recorder over here among these options. There is a chance that you will find the screen recorder immediately available in here. If not, then we can tap on this pen icon in the upper right corner, then this plus button in the upper left corner, and you should be able to find it somewhere over here among these options. Now we can tap on the screen recorder. Of course, we need to grant permissions to be able to use it. You can choose to record system sounds and the microphone sound, and then once you are ready, press start recording. And there we go, we are immediately recording our screen. Here we have the, of course, information about we have the timer, and we can tap on this island in order to reveal the whole panel for recording, where we can adjust the system sound and microphone. You can also just pause recording if needed or completely stop it. And that is pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.